Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Course Motorsports wireless charger for Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. Course Motorsports has developed a vehicle-specific application for a wireless phone charging mount for Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. So they have this specific vehicle bracket that works on these trucks, and this will fit the 2015 plus models. It comes with the bracket you see here. It comes with the ball mount here. It comes with the wireless charger and the little thread part here on the back. It also comes with the cigarette lighter USB charger and a USB-C charging cord. So this is pretty easy to install. The bracket utilizes one of two factory mounting screws that's behind the dash here, behind this bezel. What you need to do is just remove this bezel to get to those screws and then decide on where you want to put it. So the easiest way is to use a pry tool for removing trim and just work your way around the bezel. Once you're done with that, you can set the bezel aside. And then here's where you have to make a decision. There are two screws on either side of the radio module here. There's one here and one here. They're both 7mm screws. And you have to decide where you want your phone mount to live, because it's going to either be here on the left or here on the right. I'm leaning towards the one on the right here, so I think that's where I'm going to put it. So I'm just going to take my 7mm nut driver and remove this screw. Then I'm going to take the Course Motorsports bracket and put it right into that slot, and then reinstall that 7mm screw right in. Just like that. Then we can reinstall the bezel. Simple as that. Now next we're going to take this little ball mount that comes with the kit and screw it on to the bracket. And next you're going to take your wireless charger, you're going to unscrew this threaded part on the back, and you're going to place that over this socket piece. Then taking your wireless charger, you're going to insert it onto the threads of that piece and tighten it down. Then take the USB charger and plug it into the 12-volt cigarette lighter plug down below. And using the USB-C cable that's included, there's a port for it to install back here behind, just like that. And you can hide your wires however you want, you know, maybe route them nicely and figure it out. Now when you're ready to use it as a charger, you know, the vehicle needs to be in the accessory position and it'll be lit up green here. Take your wireless charging equipped device, and what's kind of cool about that is it will automatically grab it with these arms that clamp it. And I don't know if you can see or not, but up here in the top right corner, the phone is charging. And when I'm ready to undo it, I just tap the little button right here and it undoes the clamps. Pretty cool. Here's a shot of the little wings that grab the phone on the side. Here you can see those two touch buttons on either side of the mount that opens and closes the clamps. Tapping just one side will also open and close the clamps, and they will automatically clamp the phone in place when it detects a device has been placed in it. And it's charging now. If you think this is a cool product, be sure to visit the Course Motorsports website. I will put a link in the description box below to this product. They also sell a product that is very similar, uses the same bracket on the back here, and then it comes with like a magnetic sticker that you can stick to the back of your phone piece that allows you to just clip your phone there. It doesn't charge it or anything, but it just clips your phone so that it's up and out of the way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love if you subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you later.